The project title is Detecting Malicious Facebook Applications. In this, that is a existing system is so far the research community has paid little attention to OS and apps specifically. Most research related to spam and malware on Facebook has focused on detecting malicious posters and social spam campaigns. Analyzed posters on walls of 3.5 million Facebook users and showed that 10% of links posted on Facebook walls are spam. They also presented techniques to identify compressed accounts and spams combines. Developed techniques to identify accounts of spammers on Twitter. Others have proposed a honeypot based approach to detect spam accounts on OSNs. Analyzed behavioral patterns among spam accounts in Twitter. Investigate risk signaling on the privacy intrusiveness of Facebook apps and conclude that current forms of community ratings are not reliable indicators of the privacy risk associated with an app. Disadvantages of the existing systems are the existing system works concentrated only on classifying individual URLs or posters as spam but not focused on identifying malicious applications or the main source of spam on Facebook. Existing system works focused on accounts created by spammers instead of malicious application. Existing system provide only a high level overview about threats to the Facebook graph and do not provide any analysis of the system. The proposed system. In this research, we develop FRAPPE, a suite of efficient classification techniques for identifying whether an app is malicious or not. To build FRAPPE, we use data from MyPageKeeper, a security app in Facebook. We find the malicious applications significantly differ from begin applications with respect to two classes of features: on demand features and aggregation based features. We present two variants of our malicious app classifier, FRAPPE Lite and FRAPPE. Yeah, the FRAPPE Lite is a lightweight version of that makes use of only the application features available on demand. Given a specific app ID, FRAPPE Lite crawls on the on demand features for that application and evaluates the application based on these features in real time. FRAPPE, a malicious app detector and that utilizes our aggregation based features in addition to the on demand features. We see FRAPPE as a step toward creating an independent watchdog for app assessment and ranking, so as to warn Facebook users before installing apps. Advantages of proposed system are: the proposed system work is arguably the first comprehensive study focusing on malicious Facebook apps that focuses on quantifying, profiling, and understanding the malicious apps and synthesis this information to an effective detection approach. Several features used by FRAPPE is such as the reputation of redirect URIs, the number of required permissions, and the use of different clients IDs in the app installation URLs are robust the evaluation of hackers. Not using different clients IDs in installation URLs would limit the ability of hackers to instrument their applications to propagate each other. The system requirements or hardware requirements is system is Pentium 4 2.4 GHz, hard disk needed is 40 GB, floppy disk is 1.44 MB, monitor needed is 15 VGA color monitor. Software requirements or operating system is Windows XP or Windows 7, coding language is .NET, IDE is Visual Studio 2010, database needed is SQL Server 2008. Feature enhancement of this research is each and every request should be validated before receive request. Validating the request by generating the basic set of questions against the request sender. If the answer reaches the target that is matched with the original details of the users, then the user will be display, displayed for the specified person. If the request was blocked by 3 times by the admin, the account has blocked. Alternate titles of this research are: first one is prevalence of malicious apps using FRAPPE. The another one is distinguish nasty Facebook applications. The final one is profiling malicious and vegan apps. Thank you.